Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Another quick recommendation email. We sold a tool for a Mercedes-Benz, an older Mercedes-Benz vehicle to a customer who has subsequently received his tool. He's been able to do the resets on his Mercedes. I'm not entirely sure what those resets were, didn't get all of the information, but he's come back to us, a guy called Raphael, and he said, "Hello, I've received the scan tool and it works well on my old Mercedes. Thank you for your help." No problem. I have a question perhaps you can answer. Does the iCarSoft have an inexpensive scan tool that can support the oil service reset on a Maserati? So we have communicated with him individually. The simple answer to that is no. iCarSoft does not have a tool that can do the oil service resets on a 2016 Maserati Ghibli. Now that is at the time of making this video. The software is always in development. It is always subject to change. So what I tell you right now may not be valid in 2 or 3 years down the line. However, what I can do now is give you a recommendation on what tool will do that. He goes on, he says it's a 2016 Maserati Ghibli, gives us the VIN number. I would very much appreciate your feedback. Many thanks, Raphael. So there is a tool, we have 2 tools that can do that on a 2016 Maserati Ghibli. First one is the Foxwell NT530 Plus. This is a newer generation tool. There's been previous versions of this tool. They've been like the NT520, the NT510 actually, the NT520. Then there was the NT530. This is the NT530 Plus tool, okay? So this tool will allow you to do the oil service resets on a 2016 Maserati Ghibli. You need to go through the menu system and you need to select the instrument cluster, and within the instrument cluster it'll give you further options to reset the oil service reset. Okay, so that is for a 2016 Maserati Ghibli. Let's say you had a Maserati Ghibli and you also had other makes and models that you wanted to look after, then just another real quick recommendation. This is the NT680 Pro Kit. This does all makes and models, and it does a wide range of service functions and resets, systems, coverage, things like that. So this will also do the oil service reset on the 2016 Maserati Ghibli. This one's obviously cheaper because this one covers all makes and models. So you're going to pay more for a tool that does more. But there are some guys out there who do just want the tool that covers all makes and models, which is completely fair enough. If so, then this is a good option. But if you were interested in just your Maserati 2016 Ghibli and you wanted to do the oil reset, then this is the tool to go for. We'll pop the link to both of these kits in the description below this video. If you do have a Maserati and it's not necessarily a 2016 Ghibli, then please do email us as well. We'll pop the email address in there. Send us an email and we can tell you whether this tool will also do the service reset on that specific vehicle as well. But we're slowly working our way through these videos to just basically give you the information without having to come to us. So if you can find the information online, it just makes your life a little bit easier, and it gives you the heads up on which tool you need to go for to do that specific reset or function reset or service on your specific vehicle. So links to both of these in the description, email address in there as well. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and I hope this has helped you.